Let f of x is equal to 1 minus cos alpha x upon x square for x less than 0, and for x is equal to 0 it is 2, and for x is greater than 0 beta times root of 1 minus cos x upon x is continuous at x is equal to 0. If the function is continuous means we can say that left hand limit, that is limit extends to 0 minus f of x is equal to limit extends to 0 plus f of x, both are equal to the functional value f of 0. Then we need to find the value of alpha square plus beta square. So let's consider the limit. Limit extends to 0 minus f of x, which is equal to f of 0, and f of 0 value is 2. So we can write limit extends to 0 minus means below 0. So we have to consider the function 1 minus cos alpha x upon x square is equal to 2. And we know that 1 minus cos theta is equal to 1 minus cos theta is equal to 2 sine square theta by 2. So we can write here limit extends to 0. 1 minus cos alpha x we can write it as 2 sine square alpha x upon 2 divided by x square, which is equal to 2. So we can also simplify and write here limit extends to 0. 2 times sine alpha x upon 2 into sine alpha x upon 2, and here we can write x square as x into x, and here let us multiply and divide with alpha by 2, alpha by 2, multiply and divide, so we'll be getting sine alpha x upon 2 divided by sine alpha x upon 2 when x tends to 0 will be equal to 1. Since we know that limit theta tends to 0, sine theta upon theta is 1. So by using this concept we can write limit extends to 0, alpha x by 2 divided by alpha x by 2 is equal to 1. So we can write 2 upon 2 into 1 into 1 upon 2 upon alpha into 2 upon alpha, which is equal to 2 times alpha square divided by 4, or 2 times we can write alpha square upon 2 is equal to, and it is given is equal to 2. So we can write alpha square is equal to 4. Alpha square value is 4. And let's consider the right hand limit now. Limit extends to 0 plus f of x, right hand limit we can consider limit extends to 0 beta times root of 1 minus cos x, since x is greater than 0, divided by x, which can be taken as limit extends to 0 beta times root of 1 minus cos x is 2 sine square x upon 2 under root divided by x. So which is equal to limit extends to 0 beta times root 2 into mod of sine x upon 2 divided by x. So let's multiply and divide with here 2 in the denominator. Limit extends to 0 beta times root 2 into sine x by 2. Since at x is equal to 0, we can say that the right hand limit sine x by 2 will be positive. So sin x upon 2 will be positive. So we can write directly sin x by 2 divided by x, multiply and divide with 2. So that again, as x tends to 0, sin x upon 2 also tends to 0. So we can write here limit we can write which is equal to beta into root 2 into 1 upon 2. So which is given as right hand limit is also equal to functional value, that is equal to 2. We can write root 2 beta upon 2 is equal to 2, and we can also write beta is equal to 4 divided by root 2, and beta square is equal to 16 upon 2, which is equal to 8. So we have b square is equal to 4 Therefore, alpha square plus beta square is equal to alpha square value is 4 and beta square value is 8. 4 plus 8 is 12 is the answer, which is option B.